Hello, good morning. Today we are going to see knowing numbers of 4th class mathematics. In this chapter, place values, the magic of the place values. The digits will create a magic here. When you shift the place, it will create. How you do at home and at school, how do you do? At home you will be different. In the school you will be different, isn't it? Like that, your numbers also are playing the tricks. You make tricks now with the daddy one trick, with the mummy one trick, and with the class teacher one trick, with the madam one trick, and with your friends another trick you play. Like that, your maths also, the digits are playing the tricks. Let us see that tricks now. Your today's lesson is place value. What are the place values? Ones place or units place. Ones place or units place. Tens place. Tens place means 10, 10, 10. Whatever number is there, you have to multiply it by 10. Then hundreds place, that is third place, is hundreds place. You have to read the number, find the place values from your, where? From your, what is this hand? Right hand. Right hand to left. Okay. You are coming from right hand to left. And fourth place is 1000. Okay. Shall I put a number there? The same number I am going to put it. What number is this? Can you read? What is this? 4. What is this? 5. What is this? 6. So, where shall I fit it? 4 is in the hundreds place, 5 is in the tens place, and 6 is in the ones place, isn't it? So, what is that number? Can you read the number? 456, right? So, now 456, we have 4 in the hundreds place. Okay, now I am going to change this 4 and I am bringing to this place. What the number now got? What did you get it now? You got 564, isn't it? See the magic there. 564. Okay. Now what I am going to do? I am going to change this 6 and I am going to put 5 in the middle. See there. What did you get? 654. Same 3-digit numbers only we are using, but differently we are getting. 456, 564, 654. Can we make in different way? Yes, that is. Now I am going to bring 4 to the middle and 5 to its left. See there. Now what did you get? 645, right? 645. So once again I am going to change the place now. 4 and 6 I will change. What did you get now? 465. Can you expand this? 400 plus 60 plus 5, isn't it? Now, shall I go to the other way? Now, 5 I will put here. What did you get? 546. Yes? Is it correct? Do you understand how to know the numbers? This is the magic of the knowing possible numbers, isn't it? So now, how many ways you made it? 456, 564, 654, 645, 465, 546, isn't it? So you have made it. You changed just the digits and its place and you got differently. Very good. Shall we go to the other number? In your textbook, you see the page number may be on 42 or it may be 33. Okay. In your question, first question is this. I made it now. One more question is here. That is, they have given 7, 1, 5. See, first one we made it. If you are able to make few more, you do it. Okay. Now I am taking this second one, second question B, 7, 1, 5. How to make? Can you make, children? 715. Yes, I am writing here. One number 715. Yes, 7 is in the hundreds place, 1 is in the tens place, 5 is in the units place. Very good. Shall we change now 1 to like this? If we put, what did you get? 751. Yes, 715, 751. Now we are going to change now 5's place. Okay. Now what did you get? See there, 571. Okay, 571. Repeat all of you, 571. Later on you can fill in your textbook. Okay. Now we will change this 7. Now what did you get here? 517. Right? Shall we change? See, now we are comparing the numbers now. See, 175. Now put here 157. Did you notice, children? Now okay, we have written now, we have two examples here, isn't it? So one is for you. I am not going to do that. You can do it. 456, 564, 654, 645, 465, 546. Now see, in this you can compare the numbers, which is small and which is great, which is between number. Like that, you have to identify. You identify in this number which is the greatest one, which can we write greatest one. This is the great first. Okay, this is the first one we can write. Then after that, which one will you write? 750. This is in the second place you can write. Afterwards, which one will you write? This is in the third place. Then 517 in the fourth place, 175 in the fifth place, 157 in the sixth place, isn't it? So like that, you also check here which number will you write in the first place. We will write 654 in the first place. Second place what? 645. Third place what? This one, 564. Then next place, fourth place is this, 546, isn't it? Then fifth place, what will you write? Fifth place is 465. This is in the sixth place. Do you understand now, children? So for your identification, I am comparing the numbers, which is the greatest one, which is the smallest one. Will you find out? The next question is given there, 928. So this is the number they have given, 928. This, how many ways you can make it? See, just simply change this. and write the number there in the blank. 892. Come on, just change this. You will get 829. Okay, change this now, 892. So many ways you can make. So this is called maths is fun. Knowing numbers is fun. Very beautifully you can arrange the numbers, isn't it? So you play with the numbers. Don't cry at home. You can work out all this, isn't it? Now you see 289, okay, 829, then 898, so 298. This way you can go on, change and play with the numbers and know the comparison, which is bigger and which is smaller and which are the between numbers. You can place it. Is it easy? Yes. We are going to have a question here. See in the question, top bowlers of World Test Cricket. You love cricket. See, the boy is batting there. He has given the wicket, taken the wickets. The bowlers who have taken the maximum number of wickets in the test cricket up to 2012 are given below. I am reading the question. Look at the question there. Name of bowler Anil Kumble. How many wickets did he take? 619 wickets. Which country did he belong? He belongs to India. Kapil Dev. You see there, how many wickets did he take? We are reading the record of 2012 World Cup cricket, isn't it? So now 434 wickets, and he too belongs to Indian cricket player. Come and go to the third column, Muralidharan. He has taken 800 wickets. He belongs to Sri Lanka. Sri Lanka, have you seen? It is like a water drop in the Indian map. Sri Lanka. Have you seen the Indian map? Yes, in the India map, we have a drop, water drop, raindrop like. That is Sri Lanka. So, here you see another one, Shane Warne. He scored 708 wickets, children. He belongs to Australia. Now, India is in the world map. You go there. India will be here on the top, and here a big continent will be there. That is Australia. Okay. Now, let's come to the last player, Richard Hadley. He scored 431 wickets, children. His record is 431. So, now tell me, there are some questions here. He belongs to New Zealand, it seems, right? We will go to the question. Shall we go to the questions? You see there, answer the following. By seeing that, you need to answer. Which bowler has taken the highest number of wickets? Tell me the name and which country he belongs. Can you tell me? Come on. You know the answer. Muralidharan. He belongs to, Muralidharan has taken 800, the highest number of wickets. Okay. And shall I write it? Muralidharan. See the question there, which bowler? So, Muralidharan. Muralidharan scored 800 wickets. Which country did he belong? He belongs to which country? See there in the table, Sri Lanka. Right? He belongs to Sri Lanka. you must write he belongs to. Okay? You should write in a sentence. I am just giving you keyword. It is better you write full answer in a statement. Right? Then second question you see children. How many bowlers have taken more than 600 wickets? Who has taken more than 600 wickets? How many players are there? There are 3 players. There are 3 players. One is Anil Kumble, second is Muralidharan, third one Shane Warne. So these are the 3 players have taken more than 600. So who took more than 600 here? You have to write 3 players. Who are the 3 players here? See the second question B. How many bowlers have taken more than 600 wickets? Means what is your answer? Your answer is like this. What will you write in the answer? You have to write 3. 3 players. If they ask you the name, you write the name. Otherwise, you need not write the name. Okay? Now, C question. Let's go to the C question. Write the names of the bowlers in the order of wickets taken from lowest to highest. Lowest means he is asking us to write from small number to highest. You need to compare the numbers now. You look at again the table there. You see the table? Table is there now. By checking the table, so which number shall we write first? We need to write 4. I will put it off in the flashcards, right? That's easy for you, or which is easy? Okay, I'll write off here C. Okay, we are going to answer C. What is the C question? We have to write the wickets from lowest. We have to begin. We have to begin from lowest to highest. How to write from lowest? See there, lowest is which one now? 431. Next, what will you write? 434. Okay, 434. After 434, what will you write? 619. 619. Can you see? 619. Then which number will you write? You have to write 708. Next number, what is that? 800. It's okay, children? Can you see? 431, 434, 619, 708 and 800. Right. Now, what is the last question? Last question, you check it. By how many wickets the following bowlers have less than 1000 wickets? Here, this is indirect question of subtraction. Muralidharan, I will write it here. Okay. So, that question I am going to write. Just see here D question. See, Muralidharan has 800 now. I am just writing M. M means Muralidharan. Plus is equal to here 1000 wickets. So, if you add 200 wickets, you will get 1000 wickets. To make 1000 wickets, how much he must get it? He must take wickets 200. Okay, then only it will be equal to 1000. 200 less than 1000. He has scored 200 less than. Now, next player is Shane Warne. How many did he do? 708 plus is equal to 1000. To make 1000, what shall I write here? From 1000, 708 and write 292. How to subtract it? Take your rough column. You go to the rough column. First write 1000. I will show you this. How did I get to 200? I must show you now. See here, 800 I will write here. Come and subtract now. 0 minus 0, 0. 0 minus 0, 0. Isn't it? Now, here 0 you cannot. So, what you have to do? You have to borrow, that is 10. 10 minus 8 how much? 200. That 200 only I wrote it here in the blank, isn't it? Now, this 292 how did I get? Look at here again. See the board. 1000, isn't it? Now, we need to write 708. Yes? So, what I had to do? I had to subtract. Here units place 0, tens place 0, hundreds place 0. So, I need to borrow from here. Okay. Here I need to borrow and here I need to borrow. So, from 10 I borrowed 1, it becomes 9. Here I got a 10. From 10 again I gave off here 1. That means it's 9 here. It's 10 here. Got it? Do you understand? So, now 10 minus 8 how much? 2. Here 9. 9 minus 0 how much? 9. Here 9 only is there. This 1 already we removed. From 10 only we have given 1. So, it gives here 9. 9 minus 7 you get 2. How much do you get? 2. Okay. 292. That's the answer. I put it off. Now, we are going to Anil Kumble. How many did he score? His score is 619. His score is 619 plus. So, 1000. To get 1000, what you have to do? You have to subtract in the rough column. Do in the rough column this is. Okay. 619 subtract. So, 1000 this is 619. How to subtract? You have to borrow from here. So, this is 10 now. If you remove 1, it becomes 9 here. Instead of this 10, it becomes 9. Okay. Here in this, again you are giving 1 there, it becomes 9. Here 1 if you give, it becomes 10. Before I wrote 9 there. Okay. 10 minus 9 how much? 1. Now, here 9 minus 1 how much? 8. Here 9 minus 6, 3. Am I right? So, 381. What will you write? 381. So, this is the answer you got for this question now. Right? So, do your homework. Page number 35 means in your 47 it will be. Children, we finished this question. Shall we go to exercise there? And you have the question there. See, the highest scores of batsmen in an innings in one day international cricket match till 2012 are given below. Same type of questions. There we saw wickets, here you have runs. You can compare, you can read the question and complete answering. Okay? That's your homework. Only one question in that. First question you answer. That's your homework.